Hello and welcome to Shelter Mode, the premier YouTube channel for shipping container living. In this video, we bring to you an off-grid shipping container home by Country Cabins located in Victoria, Australia. Stay tuned to find out more about this amazing shipping container home running on solar energy. Welcome back. This gorgeous tiny house is a converted 40-foot high cube container that offers an ideal place to chill out, kick back, and connect with nature. The container sits on a pier foundation to elevate the structure away from moisture. The elevated position of the house creates an ideal height to create a 12-meter long covered front deck stretching the entire length of the shipping container. The container is covered with an additional steel roof which extends on the front to create a covered entrance porch. The house is completely off-grid and generates its own power from an array of solar panels fixed on the roof, making the home self-sufficient. The modern interior design of this house makes it feel like you are staying in a luxury accommodation. Inside, the home is surprisingly posh and stylish, with more entertaining space and all the bells and whistles of a holiday home. The cozy lounge area features a beautiful couch and colored pillows, creating a nice sitting area to relax and enjoy the light-filled living room. Next to the lounge area is a bright and modern kitchen space tucked in one corner of the container. The kitchen is fitted with all-white kitchen cabinetry and butcher block countertops. In addition, there are open corner shelves for additional kitchen storage. Next to the kitchen is a timber bench which serves as the home's dining area. The bench can also be used as a working table that can comfortably sit two. The bedroom setup is separated from the living room by a functional piece of furniture which serves as a display shelf on the front side facing the living room and as a storage cupboard from the bed space. The bedroom features a comfortable double bed, a closet space, and a flat-screen TV which can swivel effortlessly between the bedroom and the lounge space. Past the bedroom is a big, lavish bathroom which features exquisite fittings and finishes. The bathroom is a nice modern space fitted with a glass shower cubicle, a toilet, and a modern wash-hand basin with storage space. The interior of the container is framed, insulated, and all the interior is lined with plasterboard and painted white, which gives an illusion of a big interior space. The house is fitted with large glass windows and doors overlooking the lush gardens, with lots of natural light streaming in, creating a sunny and welcoming indoor atmosphere. The floors are finished with hardwood flooring, which gives the entire house a warm, modern look. The large doors open out to a 3x12 meter covered deck fitted with an outdoor kitchen area, creating a perfect space to entertain, ideal for barbecue, outdoor dining, and lounging, overlooking one of the most beautiful scenic views. The entire house has its interior corrugated container walls left exposed to maintain the industrial language of the design. This house is 100% off the grid and is self-sufficient. Currently, The house is operating as a short-term accommodation rental listed on Airbnb starting at $104 per night. In addition, the house is listed for sale on tinyrealestate.com for $60,000. Feel free to check it out using the links in the description below. The bathroom is our favorite space of the cabin. Which part of this house appeals you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel for these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.